family? Pedro here with another video. I hope you're doing well and I'm super excited for this video. I'm going to show you my exact same strategy on how I was able to make over $2,000 trading gold in less than a couple hours. So make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you my exact strategy and how you can implement this too and get the same exact results. So make sure you watch to the end, guys. With that being said, let's dive in. All right, guys. So what was I looking at? So as you know, I always like to look at the bigger picture with any pair that I'm trading. I always like to understand the overall direction of the market. So one of two things, I obviously have this already kind of marked up and I did kind of put replay so you guys could see how it all panned out. But I knew that one of two things. We knew that we actually broke above a major level here on gold. So we knew that gold was trending to the downside for quite some time. Pay close attention because I'm going to show you everything on how I was able to profit from this, okay? We were in this downwards channel, okay? We broke above it. We slowly started to create this kind of like ascending wedge, kind of like creating these higher lows. You know, something was happening with price. And I knew that at some point, even over the holidays, I told you guys this, we were looking for gold buys. Look at this here. I pointed this out. If you go watch my other live streams closer to Christmas and the New Year's, I told you guys we were forming this ascending wedge. I knew that was going to happen. One or two things really happened here. Take a look at my RSI, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. Look at this RSI here, guys. Look how overbought it is, guys. It was super overbought. So I knew that after breaking to the upside out of, you know, this resistance area here that you could see, right? Price tried to break above, failed. Tried to break above, failed. Tried to break above and failed until it finally broke above. And I knew because you're able, and as you get more and more confident, guys, don't feel bad. Trust me. I'm here with you every step of the way. So make sure you watch the video to the end, guys, because I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to spot this amazing gold trade that went over 209 pips in my favor. Excuse me. I'm that excited. What I'm trying to say is when you look at the charts and you're in the charts more and more and you have more chart time, you will get more and more comfortable with spotting these trade opportunities, but also spotting different patterns in how the market moves, right? So I knew that at some point we were going to get a breakout, but not only did we get the breakout in our favor, but I knew that we were at some point going to retrace. I knew that there was going to be some sort of an exhaustion. That's what I call it. I always like to say this is exhausting. After a rally, you're running, and then you go, okay, you take a break, you sit down, you kind of, you know, get a breath, drink some water, and then price continues to go in their direction. We had a little bit of a pullback here, and let me kind of zoom in here, guys. So pay attention. If you guys are understanding so far what I'm explaining, let me know in the comments below, guys. Put hashtag understand, hashtag fire, and that way I know that you guys are understanding everything. And if you have any questions as well, guys, don't be shy to comment them below. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, guys, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out on a ton of value. So make sure you guys subscribe below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a single piece of content. All right, let's go. So I knew that some point after the strong momentum, there was going to be some sort of an exhaustion, some sort of a pullback. And look at what I noticed. And this is where on the 4-hour time frame, again, the 4-hour, we look for what? The direction of the market. In the 4-hour, we started seeing price form what? Failing to create this higher high, right? Failing to break above these highs, right? And not only that, it started to form some sort of a double top formation. You can clearly see it here, guys. Look at that double top formation here. This area here, look. This is our high here. This is a second high here. Look, price came up, created a huge wick, rejected. Price came up. What happened here? Created a wick. And then what? Look at this bearish candle right here. This 4-hour candle is super bearish, by the way. I told you guys, and I told you this in, I think it was like the previous live streams, guys. You can go back and reference and see exactly before I took this trade. I told you guys, I'm still not looking for sells. Even when I saw this bearish candle here on the 4-hour, still stuck to my plan. I said, no, I'm not going to get in until we break this level low right here. So this level here, okay, this wick right, do you see that wick? Until we break and close below. That's why I put sell setups below this level structure, guys. So pay attention. I'm going to show you exactly how this trade ended up going and how I took it and what was the signal. So make sure you guys, you pay attention. Don't miss out. Don't get distracted. You have to focus, guys. That's one of the things as a trader, you become disciplined and focused, guys. The amount of times that I as a trader was distracted by so many distractions and indicators and this program and that program. You really have to, guys, focus on not being distracted, guys. Focus on having a clear mind, okay, when you're trading. What I did was I was literally looking at price action, guys. I knew that there was going to be some sort of a pullback. We formed a double top on the higher time frames on the 4-hour time frame, which is significant. We're rejecting this level, failing to break these highs, and I knew that price was going to pull back. Not only that, on the 1-hour, I narrowed it down to the 1-hour. I said, guys, I'm looking for sells or entry of sells once we break below this level. But not only that, we ended up, so I'm going to slowly play this. We ended up actually breaking below this level. Literally at this level, it struggled. But take a look at this candle right here. That's where I got my entry. And I said, there's a chance price will go down further Give us a couple pips. I can't remember exactly how much. Let me see how much here. We were looking at, yeah, so 50 pips. There's a chance, okay? But however, okay, I knew that it was gonna come and break this level and retest it. Had a feeling it would retest it. Why? Pedro, why would you say it would retest and not just break all the way below? Because I looked at the left. Take a look at the left, guys. Resistance, resistance. So I knew that this was a level structure. However, and I said this in my live stream in the other video, once we break this level structure in these previous highs, which is now a level of support, okay, right over here, I said it's gonna melt. And guess what happened, guys? Let me know what happened in the comments below. Guess what happened? We profited. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. And price went exactly as expected in our favor. Over $2,000, guys, literally overnight. Because I saw this the night before when I did the night live stream on, I think it was Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. And price went exactly as expected in our favor, guys. And literally at my other support level. So I drew this level here. This is why I had this level. Look at this level here. This level support, and I drew this level support here. And I said, guys, no, I could probably take my profits here, but I would move my stop loss to entry, let price pull back because it's gonna retest this previous level support as a level of resistance, and let price run. And I knew it struggled a little bit, and that's normal. And then price melted. Once it broke below these highs, previous highs here, price literally went in our favor, guys. So this is how you're able to catch these opportunities. And again, look at the RSI is oversold at this point. But I knew that even when price was over here, we were coming at a level where, you know, the RSI still had a lot more juice to the downside. And I knew that in the bigger picture, like on the 4-hour time frame and the daily, there, you know, price at some point was overbought and we needed to see some sort of a pullback, right? And this is how we're able to catch these opportunities, guys. And this is how you can see traders, you're like, yo, how did he get this entry? How did he get in so early? This is how we're able to catch these opportunities, guys, is we focus on the highest probable setups. I saw a double top on the higher time frames. I saw that we had been overextended, overbought. We needed to see some sort of a pullback. And I looked at my RSI, I looked at structure, I waited for my confirmations, and bam, price went exactly as expected. Over 200 pips, guys, literally in a matter of hours, right? And these are the opportunities that you can take to, and you're able to profit as well, guys. So make sure, guys, if you're new to the family, you subscribe below. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single piece of content. And I'm super excited to have you guys. If you have any questions, don't be shy. Comment it below, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And I look forward to seeing you guys until the next video, guys. But I hope you guys are having an amazing 2023 and an amazing weekend. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you until next time. Bye for now.